Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to configure Google Drive to use Adobe Acrobat Reader to open PDF files. So if you have a PDF file and you want to open it, you could right-click, open with, and you could open it with Google Docs, or you could download it and then open it with your Acrobat Reader on your computer. But if you want to open it in Acrobat within your web browser, then you could actually install the Adobe Acrobat app and integrate it with Google Drive. So to do so, from the same menu, click Open With and click on Connect More Apps. And then you can search for Acrobat. And then you find it here. Click on it. Click on Install. And it says it needs your permission. And it wants to know your Google account that you're logged in with to use it with. So here's the permissions that are required. And then you could check the ones you want here. So it's up to you. If you don't check these or some of these, then it's not going to work. So you'll find out which ones work and which ones don't, but I'm just doing them all. Click on Continue. Okay. And you could have it be the default app for files for Google Drive if you want. All right, so now if we right-click on the file, Open With, then we have Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and then it should be there. So we'll click on that. It's going to want you to sign in or continue with the Google Drive account. It should only do this one more time, the first time you use it. Okay, we'll skip the tour, and there we go. So now let's try it again just to confirm. Simple as that, and then you could use the tools that come with the Acrobat add-on as well. So once again, just right-click, Open With, Connect More Apps, and then do a search for Acrobat, and then you could add it from there. And if you want to get rid of it, go to your Settings, Manage Apps, and then you could uncheck Use by Default and disconnect and so on. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.